How to create a website using AI without coding. First, open your web browser and go to Wix.com. Then sign in to your Wix account. If you don't have one yet, create a free account. Next, click Design Website with Wix AI. Enter your business name, choose your website category, and briefly describe what your website is about. For example, you can type a modern photography portfolio with a gallery, contact page, and booking form. After answering the questions, tap Generate Website. Wix AI will automatically create a complete website with pages, text, images, colors, and a professional layout. Once the website is ready, review the design and customize anything you like. You can change the text, replace images, add new sections, edit colors, or choose different fonts using the drag and drop editor. That's it. You've successfully created a professional website using AI without writing any code. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI tutorials, website building tips, and easy tech guides.